found 18i index files associated with Corel Paradox 8 databases. These provide fast access to table data through index lookups. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Corel Paradox 8 table index files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest 1.8i cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An index file created by Corel Paradox version 8, a relational database management system. It stores key values and pointers to records in the main database table, DB file, dramatically speeding up data retrieval, sorting, and query operations. It is an essential component for database performance. The 1.8i file uses a proprietary binary B tree or a similar index structure. This design allows Paradox to perform rapid lookups without scanning the entire table. The file is tightly coupled with the main DB table, and corruption in the index can prevent the database from functioning correctly. Your primary troubleshooting tool for 1.8i should be the specialized Corel Paradox by Corel Corporation. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows shows minimal information, so reading the index requires compatible analysis software. Let's find the specific program that understands the file structure. Right-click the 1.8i file and hit Open with. Test Corel Paradox if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your 1.8i file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the 1.8i problem. First, using with Paradox tables. 18. iIndex files work automatically with their associated Paradox table files, DB and other database components. Open the corresponding DB table file in Corel Paradox, and the 18i index files are automatically utilized for performance optimization. Index files require no direct user interaction, operating transparently within Paradox database operations. Next, index reconstruction. If 18i index files become corrupted or missing, use Paradox utilities to rebuild indexes from source table data. Open Paradox and use Tools menu utilities to rebuild table indexes. This process recreates 18i files with current table data, ensuring optimal database performance and resolving indexing issues that may impact query performance. Finally, database migration. When migrating Paradox databases to modern systems, 18i index files become unnecessary as new database systems create their own indexing structures. Focus migration efforts on the underlying table data DB files while allowing target systems to generate appropriate indexes for their own architecture and performance optimization requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.